Yo, I'm Nez, and I'm up in the bathroom dropping another impromptu review on y'all. And this time, what we're going to be doing a real review of is the BAM, another generic box item. But seriously, in all seriousness, what we're doing a review of this time is the Homevacious widespread bathroom LED faucet kit. It's exactly what I said it is. It's a bathroom faucet, but it's a widespread one. So that's the, the 8-inch wide one. I think it goes between 8 and 16 inches wide. It's like a waterfall spout, and it has an LED light in it, which I didn't even know at the time of buying it. I was just buying it because it looked cool, but then it turns out it had an LED light in it too. So, icing, right? So, but we'll see how all that works. I'm just gonna do a quick overview of the content of the box, and then I'm gonna install it and then come back in. I'm not gonna go through the install method on this. There's plenty of videos on how to install faucets, and this should be no different. I'm not a professional plumber, so I'm probably gonna be dropping a lot of F-bombs while doing this, so I don't want to record any of that. So let's just get into this box. But before doing that, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up if you like my content. If you wouldn't mind sharing this video, so that way other people can see this video, and that would help me out and help the channel out a lot. So now that I got the politics out the way, let's get into the box. Okay, so you open the box, got some paperwork right here, just basically going over. You can see that. For pause it, see for yourself. Just I guess a rough design. I mean, I hope this isn't the instructions, because if it is, it's pretty crappy. But it should be pretty basic. Okay, so one-handed operation, just kind of bear with me. Okay, there goes one, I should say, what is it, the knob to turn on the water, one water spigot knob or whatever. Not sure which one is which yet, just so you can see what it looks like. Okay, and here goes your tubing. Looks like roughly maybe about a foot on each side. Some more tubing, 8 inches there. Some more tubing. Okay, imagine here goes your little T connector that goes underneath the actual faucet itself to connect the two tubes from left and right to bring the water into the central faucet. I don't know the proper lingo. Like I said, I am not a plumber. I'm just throwing the words out there the best I can think of them coming into my brain. So they look like they're both the same, so I guess it doesn't matter which side is which, but obviously left is hot and right is cold. So I'll just put that on the left side there. And then we have the faucet itself right here. Okay, oh, this bad boy is wide. Look at this. And this is water powered LED light, so there's no power that you got to worry about hooking this up. So from the videos that I've seen on this, it does have like a little sound, maybe a little a low pitch sound that you hear from the water turning the gears to power the light. And this is one of those lights where if it's hot it's red, if it's blue it's cold, and it turns green when it's like in between. So all right, so now just seeing all the parts, what I'm going to do, I imagine I'm probably going to have to use some of my existing parts because it doesn't look like it comes with everything. But, like I said, I'm not a plumber. I'll figure all that out when I start taking stuff apart. This is my existing right here. This right here is just gotten too bad to the point where it's like locking up, and I decided, you know what, I'm just going to replace it because I tried tinkering around with it so many times and I can't get it to go right. And right now that's in the off position. So I have to turn it all the way back there in order to turn my cold water off. So just taking the opportunity to replace stuff. So on the flip side, hopefully we're all installed, no leaks, everything's all good. So catch you on the flip. Okay, we back in. This is what she looks like. She's all installed. Before I do the big reveal, I just want to kind of show you what it looks like underneath. Let me hit the lights for you. Put all my stuff back already. But basically, that's what she looks like. You know, I use my blue tape naturally. Nice, easy, clean install. This was very easy to install. It was a little harder for me just because my cold water valve had rusted and corroded really bad, and it was just really hard and stripped really bad. So it literally took me an hour just getting that one out. But once I got that out, everything else was easy peasy. So now for the big reveal. Hot water. See how it's blue right now, but it's turning green and it's about to turn red to let you see that the water is hot. So that water is hot. And now I'm going to add the cold water, and then you see it's green because now you have the mixture of the two. Pretty good flow, as you see. So this is a definite get. With this, you know, I read some of the reviews that the LED lights don't last more than a year, so we'll see. Hopefully it's just a matter of me just buying a new one and swapping it out. It's fairly priced enough to where I could just swap this part out. I get the exact same one and just swap the middle part, leave everything else the same. But yeah, I'll throw the links to this down in the description down below. So with that being said, this has been the review of the, off the top of my head, I can't think of the name of the faucet, but obviously the name will be in the title of the video down below. Definitely cop that. Links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and give me that thumbs up. Those are really appreciated. And I'm out this piece.